When you're in a daily routine, life can get dull, boring. For many people, every day is the same. Get dressed, go to work, come home, eat, go to bed, repeat. In places like New York City, some people have made an effort to alleviate the monotony and make things better. Monotony means that nothing interesting really happens. Everything is always the same and boring. New York is not a place known for being weird. It's known for serious business people in a hurry.
$5 trillion.
It's known for Wall Street.
That comes from hard work. 2/3 comes from inheritance.
It's known for angry taxi drivers. It's known for old ladies who talk like this.
I don't have my hearing aid on. What the hell you want?
And the New York subway system is famously gross. It's old. It's dirty. The daily commute, that means the journey to and from work, can be pretty unpleasant when you have to take the subway. Unpleasant. Monotonous. No fun at all. But in 2002, a group called Improv Everywhere decided to do something different. It started with 7 people. They got on the subway, they all took off their pants at the same time, rode to their stops, and got off. It was organized. Now it has become a huge event that is spreading to cities all around the world. There are more than 60 cities participating, and more are doing it every year. The No Pants subway ride happens each year in early January. On a specific day, participants show off their boxers, briefs, underwear, and even get that off the screen. Oh, hello, businessman. I see you're checking your phone, doing some business. Hi, Maya. No pants. Huh? Carry on, sir. But why do this, really? What is the point? Because it's funny. That's it. There's no other reason. The group that started this simply wanted to, phrase of the day, alleviate the monotony and make life in New York more interesting. They do other things too, like a flash mob where everybody suddenly stands still and the people who aren't don't know what's going on. And there are other events like this, like naked bike rides for really brave people, zombie walks because why not? It's cool. Wouldn't you like to be a zombie for a couple hours? So while I don't actually do the No Pants subway ride, to the people who ask why, what, why? I say, why does everything have to have a very important reason? It doesn't. Isn't life supposed to be joyful? Hey, if you like this video, make sure you subscribe. And if you really like this video, make sure to check out my Udemy page in the link below. Okay.